Hello, everybody. This is Patrick MontesDeOca with the live trading room for the Equity Management Academy. On this segment, I would like to focus on a special alert that was published on our website here recently regarding the crude oil market. And basically, this is a special trading alert that we published on March 27th. But I wanted to review this particular market and signals that are indicating that we could be in a major area of support. And it's a very interesting formation that we're getting. So let's go right into it and review basically what the algorithms that we use were indicating as of March 27 for the crude oil market. Just to comment currently on the left chart, you see right now an algorithm that we use for the daily signals that produced a buy signal on crude oil, which we purchased at 47.92.50. Our stop is 47.79. And basically, the 48.49 is the target zones as a day trade. And we're going to take a look at basically this algorithm now in terms of the report that was published on March 27th. The May crude oil futures contract closed on last Friday at 48.80, and the market closing above the 9-day moving average of 47.69 is confirmation that the weekly trend momentum is bullish. We use the 9-day moving average to give us an indication of the trend. Above is bullish, below is bearish, and in this case closing above it is bullish. But it also tells you that if it does close below the 9-day moving average, that this bullish signal would be negated to neutral. So it gives you an alternate count. Now, with the market closing below the VC weekly price momentum indicator, which is the algorithm that we use on a weekly basis as the pivot point or the metrics for the week that identifies the weekly trend, above is bullish, below is bearish, is basically confirmation that the momentum is still a bit bearish. But it also tells you that if we close above 48.80, 49.49, that this bearish signal would be activated to neutral. So 49.49 is the pivot point that reverses the bearish trend to neutral, and a close above 49.49 activates the buy signal. Now, trading below 49.49 obviously gave us an anticipation that it could come down to the levels of 47.59 to 46.31, where it's recommending to buy long at the buy 1 level and the B2 level of 47.59. The market basically, as you can see on the left chart, made a low of 47.30 at 2:45 a.m., activating the buy 1 signal on the weekly oscillator, on the weekly algorithm. And we're trading right now at 48.30. Your stop now should be 47.59, your entry point. So as you can see here in live trading, we have the weekly signals indicating a reversal to a long or to a bullish position. And we have the daily indicators on the left chart also forecasting that we've seen a bottom today, and we are day trading this market, as you can see, as well. The market trading above 49.49 would activate the uptrend, and it would basically put into perspective the targets of 50.77 to 52.67 during the week. This would be your upper targets from where we are recommending to buy these levels, or I should say the VC weekly price momentum indicator is recommending to buy at these levels. What I would like to do is take a look more at this technical chart that we produced. If you can see it, I may want to just bring it up a little more, so you can see the combination of different indicators that we use in analyzing very deeply the mathematical picture, you might say, or the geometry of the market. And this is as of the close on Friday. In using line of balance analysis, basically we can see the flow of the market being down, obviously, from these high levels here, along with a line of balance coming down into basically the market closing above this level of support, which is in the 48.22 level of support. And from here, we see the flow turning up, obviously, to close above this level of resistance here in this 43 level that activated a breakout into that resistance of about 51 to 52 that we experienced last week. By coming down into this level of support, then we're looking at a buying recommendation that is giving us a very high probability, about an 80% probability, that we're going to reach the upper end of the line balance here, resistance that we're looking at in the 64 to 68 vicinity for crude oil. So we have about right now, this algorithm has identified for us an 80% probability that we're going to be moving towards that 64 area. And you can see the different levels of resistance now that once broken become support for the next leg up, and follow basically the line of balance in the flow and the symmetry of the market mathematically for us to forecast very accurately these target levels that we're looking at. So to review, it looks like we have about an 80% probability that we're going to see 64 traded on crude oil. Right now, it's activating a buy signal. It activated a buy signal at 47.59. Your stop should be 47.59. We're trading right now at 48.25 with a high that we made a little earlier in the day of about 48.67. If you have any additional questions at all regarding the application of this incredible algorithm in any market, we can custom build the intelligence to suit the market that you trade. Feel free to give us a call at 805 area code 418-1744. Or you can email me at support@EMA, that's EMA, the number 2trade.com. That's support@EMA2trade.com. This is Patrick MontesDeOca. Until next time, my friends, good trading and be well.